Only on Black Patrick News. The good news is, there's no good news!
Take a dick to it!
Only on Black Patrick News.
Mary Alston of Wetumpka on a 2005 Hyundai
Good morning.
XG350, green in color. Status is current, 29s are negative.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you doing?
Good. All right. What question? What are you doing?
Trying to trap some cats.
Okay. All right. We got a call that somebody was out here feeding the cats and stuff like that. So
I'm trying to trap them.
okay. You have your driver's license with you, man?
Yeah.
Where do you take them once you trap them?
Okay. Wait a minute. I got 3. Y'all have 3 cop cars because I'm feeding cats.
No, we always do this. It's
That's
fine.
unbelievable. Driver's
Thank you, ma'am.
Mhm.
All right, give me just a second, Miss Alston.
Okay.
That would be a good one. Why don't you come up here and learn how to do this?
Yes, sir. Sorry, sir.
Better yet, why don't you go tell her to get the fuck out and don't come back? Okay.
You're formally trespassed from this area right here, so if you come back and we catch you out here, you go to jail for criminal trespass third. No, ma'am.
This is public property.
City
It's public
property. This is city
and there's
property.
it's public,
Yes, ma'am.
which makes it public property.
Yeah, and the city does not want anybody feeding the animals around here because they're becoming a nuisance.
I'm trying to help that nuisance by catching them. I mean,
Okay.
they should be thanking me. I've got a trap set right there trying to help catch them and get them out of here.
Okay.
We have an animal control officer that's certified for that.
I know that, and Terrence knows that I try to help him catch them.
Okay.
We're telling you no.
Okay, the trespass stands. Just don't be around here trapping them anymore, okay? What are we doing?
For 939.
Stopping to see if I was okay.
Could you 10-9, you're 1028.
Delta Victor 57701. Well, man, we told you to leave this area.
I'm not even.
Well,
1028 returns to Beverly
you can leave
Robert.
now.
The
We're teetering on going to jail.
2006 Camry, gray in color. Current, 29 negative.
I'm teetering on going to jail for feeding cats.
Well, for trespassing, we told you to leave and you haven't left. I could take you to jail now. I'm not trying to do that. Ma'am, do you have your driver's license with you?
Yeah. I mean, we're trying to do a good
Thank you,
thing.
ma'am.
I don't
Not 39.
understand. We're trying to help, but we're not helping.
Negative 10-9. You want to handle her? I mean, she's still not leaving. If you want to take her to jail too, go for it. All right, Ms. Roberts. Okay. Apparently, they've had an issue with you out here before with the cat.
Not here.
Feeding the cats out here, right?
Well, I feed them. We've been trying to trap them, and we get them neutered and then get them homes.
Okay.
So we're trying to do the city a favor.
Okay, well, the city has asked you multiple times.
The city?
Yes, ma'am. Not to do this.
Uh-huh.
Okay, and they have trespassed you. Okay, and now you're trespassing.
I'm
Okay.
sitting in my car. I'm not.
Well,
I
you're on
haven't touched-
ma'am, you're on the property. You've got cat food. Okay, it's pretty. I mean, all in the back seat. It's pretty clear what your intent is. Okay.
Uh-huh.
All right. So, because you have been trespassed and you have returned yet again, we're gonna have to take you to jail. Okay.
Jesus Christ.
No.
No.
You can go too.
I'm just.
No.
So I'm not allowed to talk.
No, that doesn't involve you. You've been told at least 25 minutes ago that you were trespassing here. and you
I
think
will
you're deer
call a
fine.
lawyer, all right?
Just
Yes, ma'am.
hurry
That's fine.
up.
That's fine. You can
Get
call.
out or
You can call a lawyer as soon as you get to the jail. Okay.
As soon as I
Go ahead
get
and
to
get in your
jail.
car.
Yes, ma'am.
Go ahead and get in your car. Go ahead and get in your car.
Ma'am, go to your car before you get arrested.
I guess you want it to.
No, I just wanted to say something.
Okay, get in your car.
Go ahead and get in your car.
Get in your car. All right, Miss Roberts. I'm gonna have to get you to step out, okay?
I'd be trespassing if I did.
Well, ma'am, you're already trespassing.
Shit. You all are unbelievable.
Okay.
This is what you're wasting city gas on.
Okay.
Jesus Christ.
Step up here for me. Okay.
Now, wait a minute.
I'm not gonna listen to me. I'm not listen. Hold on. Where are you going?
I'm going to give her my car keys so she can get my car to my house.
Here, give it to that officer right there. He'll hand them to her.
want to say one thing
Hey.
to you.
It's going to get ugly if you don't stop.
Can I please say one thing?
Okay. Now you just got to know it's hard.
Can I say one thing?
Get out. Get out. I'm tired. Get out. Get out.
I
Get out.
Help him.
I got hurt real bad.
Can I get my car off
No,
the
ma'am.
road?
You just threw those keys at an officer. You're not getting anything. Ma'am, stop. Come on now. You're an 84-year-old. You are way too old to be acting like this. Come on now.
Listen.
Acting like a child.
Listen, I want my purse. I want my purse, my identification. You can't take me without my purse. You understand? You cannot take me without my purse.
Go ahead and step in for me. Ma'am, go ahead and step in. Come on.
Close my car door.
Ma'am,
please.
we're going to get all your stuff. Just step in for me.
Well, I can't without, I'm almost 85 years old.
Yes, ma'am. And I had every intention of putting those handcuffs in the front for you until you started acting like that.
I'm sorry I can't get in.
Okay, now step back out real quick.
This way. Come on.
I'm going to put you in the lower car so you can get in better.
Jeez.
Easy.
Oh.
She wound up almost whooping all of our asses, trying to get her in handcuffs. The 84-year-old old Beverly Roberts. Yeah, well, she about dumped me on my head, and Foster about tased the other lady. It was. I'm glad nobody's recording because a bunch of police officers beating up on a couple old ladies. It was rough.